Today, we'll be unboxing the Zebra ZQ630, Zebra's latest mobile printer. And here we go. First thing you'll notice upon unboxing is you have a few different user manuals. These user manuals go over anything, including technical specifications, how to connect it to both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and any type of advanced options you may need for your printing solutions. It also comes with the belt clip. So this belt clip will be attached on the back of the printer and then fastened to either a waistband, a belt loop, or any type of safety vest at the bottom. Now, you'll also notice that the LED screen is covered by this protective coating right here. After removing, you'll notice that this screen, this is the first time in Zebra mobile printing, they've come out with a fully functional LED screen that has much better navigation, much better ability to change the settings, and any type of input you would need for your printing solutions. But previously, you almost always had to connect this to a computer to get any settings, whether it be print speed or size of the label, anything like that. To get those settings into the printer, it used to be from a computer, but now you can do it all in one right from the device. Now, if you do have to do a little bit more advanced options, you can. You'll notice here there is a USB interface you can connect to the computer for any more advanced options. The next thing you'll notice when opening the media bay is that it has a spring-loaded toggle, right? You can change depending on the width of your label. Its maximum width is 4 inches and minimum is 2 inches. And upon closing the printer and pulling the label out, if you go over here to the power and feed button, that's how you can get it to automatically calibrate. On the rear, you'll notice a little bit more protective covering over the battery. This battery has more storage capacity than any previous mobile printer on the market, allowing you for up to 12 to 16 hours of functionality in your warehouse or for any of your printing solutions. It also has a hard rubber and plastic exterior that can allow for drops between 3 and 6 feet. And you can also purchase an optional shoulder strap to apply to a safety vest, anything like that, just to increase the functionality of your mobile printing needs. To power on the machine, simply click the button on the right. After powering on, you'll see your fully navigatable screen here. To load any media, you would need a 3/4 inch core, 2 types, one being the normal gap sensor mark right here, or if you have a black sensor mark, and you'll load it as such. If you need to manually calibrate, you go over here to the home button, go over to tools, navigate to label length calibration, hit start, and your label is calibrated. If you need any supplies for your mobile printing device, simply visit smithcorona.com or call us at 1-800-875-7000.